All right, here is day 7 of our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. Just a quick, simple little, this is like an ATC size card, so it's really quick and simple. You see how we can put this beautiful card together in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you back again tomorrow. And actually, I'm going to go in and add a few little baubles to this. What colors do I want to add? Let's add some white. So let's add some of this in. Try to decide if I want to put the red in or do some whites, or a little bit of both. Let's do a little bit of both. Haha. So these are extras from my Crafty Advent Calendar. So we always get extra little crystals with it. So we are going to go ahead and add some of these in. I just think it adds a little extra to your card. So I always like to do in clusters of 3. So I'm going to do in each of the red areas a cluster of 3. And then I'm going to do a triangle of 3 up by the sentiment. You always want to go in odd numbers, things that help draw your eyes in. And just like when we're watercoloring, how we leave hints of white in here, I don't need to cover every single berry. It's just the illusion that really makes it pop. I was going to do the white crystals, but I think I'm just going to stick with the red. And again, do another triangle up by the sentiment. Again, it just draws your eye to the sentiment. And there we go. We have now finished our day 7 card, added a little bit of bling and embellishment to it. Gives it that little wow factor. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you following along on this journey. If you've missed any of the previous cards, you can check out my blog. I have links to all the videos there, or you can just go back into my channel, and there is a folder specific for my advent calendars. I have 3 of them that I'm working with this year, so you can go back and see all of them through that playlist. So thank you so much for joining along. Leave a comment. Let me know, did you receive this advent? Are you planning on crafting with it? And are these videos giving you a little bit of inspiration? I hope so. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you later. Bye.